I'm just a poor wayfaring stranger.
Good morning from Killicoff, Texas. I'm over here at the Alsups. Got in here last night about midnight. Matthew chapter 6. Take heed that you do not your alms before men, to be seen of them. Otherwise ye will have no reward of your Father which is in heaven. Therefore, when thou doest thine alms, do not sound a trumpet before thee, as the hypocrites do in the synagogues and in the streets, that they may have glory of men. Verily I say unto you, they have their reward. But when thou do alms, let not thy left hand know what thy right hand does, that thine alms may be in secret, and that thy Father which seeth in secret himself shall reward thee openly. That's why y'all won't see my face on here. I'm not doing this. I won't tell you my real name. I'm not doing this for me. I want to help others. I'm not asking for your money. I'm just putting information out there, sharing the word, just trying to do my thing. I'm not doing it, like I say, for me. I'm doing it for y'all. I mean, hopefully I can bring forth a little bit of information that will help. Hopefully some of y'all may accept the Lord, and ultimately that's my goal. But I'm gonna put up some videos here after, with this, and they're not gonna have any sound, so please bear with them. The wind was just so bad I had to turn the sound off. I'm fixing to get out of here. My clock's running down to my 15 minutes is up. I've already done my pre-trip, make sure everything was all right. It looks like I might have to put my truck in the shop Monday because that water leak's getting a little bit worse. So hopefully I can run through this, get to Easter Sunday service, and take my truck up there Monday morning and let them start working on it. With that being said, God bless and goodbye. I'm empty. Another load done. Let's go see if we can get some diesel and move on over to the next run. Hey y'all, I just made me a quick trip over to the Family Dollar somewhere in Colorado. Now I'm gonna ease back over there to the truck and try to get out of here. But yep, it's a beautiful day today. There's a cloud. It looks kind of funny, like a sailboat or submarine or something. Anyway, I'll holler at y'all later. Well, I'm loaded. There ain't much to be seen out here in Colorado, is it? Anyhow, I'm loaded and fixing to head on out and try to deliver this thing at some point. Jesus is the great I am, not the great I was, is what it says on the back of that truck. Yeah, I'm over here in Colorado still, but I'm headed south, headed toward Texas. Got cattle trailers, grain hoppers, motor homes, cows everywhere. I've seen buffalo, I've seen antelope, deer, geese, rabbits, you name it, I've seen it this day. But I'm ready to get back down to my hometown, Lord have mercy. They've been working on that little section right under, trying to improve this parking lot, this little truck stop. Right here on I-70. Hey, Snyder. Bye, Snyder.